Hi, here's a random hand that just popped up, and it reminded me that these are the most important hands of all. And South has a good hand, 17 points, good spade suit. Naturally, we'd open one spade. Partner says, I don't have a spade fit, and I've got 6 to 10 points, and it's not forcing. But of course, we would show our second suit of diamonds here. So 2 diamonds is up to about as good a hand as this. It could be 13, 15, 17. If it's better than 17 or even 18, you would jump shift. And a jump shift is one spade, one no trump, 3 diamonds. But I don't think we're quite good enough for that. So let's just bid 2. And partner passes. Well, partner had 4 diamonds, thank goodness, and 2 spades. So we've found ourselves in a 4-4 diamond fit. Let's make the plan. The Queen of Hearts lead suggests that they've got the jack and that the ace is in the east hand. So there's absolutely no point in playing the king on top of the queen. So play low. You're going to lose 2 heart tricks, so just accept it. Don't play the king, play low, and you've lost 2 heart tricks. Now they're going to force us to trump a heart. And our tricks we think might come from setting up the spades. So before you touch trumps, you would probably test the spades. Play the ace. Oh, bad news. The queen dropped. The queen is either a singleton spade or it could be queen jack doubleton. More likely it's a singleton queen, which means that the spades are breaking badly. If it's a singleton queen, it means that East holds or they started with 5 spades to the jack. What to do next? Cash the ace of diamonds and see how the diamonds are breaking. Another indication that the diamonds are breaking badly, the jack falls. Again, it could be queen jack doubleton, but more likely singleton jack. So let's play a diamond over and try the 10. And sure enough, the suit has broken 4-1. That's not best for us. So let's play the 8 of spades. We know where the jack is, put the 5 on it and see what happens. They trump. Sure enough, the spades were 5, 5, 2, 1. But returning a club helps us make our queen. Now, we could play the 9 of diamonds, but we're not quite ready for that. So play this trumpet. Now play a club over to the ace and try the king of spades. They trump, we over trump. We play the 9 of clubs and we trumpet, but we have to give up the last spade to the jack. We made 9 tricks, but that was a big effort because the suits broke so badly. Notice that if the opponents had come into the bidding, this is not a bad hand, West, they would have made hearts. So we were able to make 110. They probably would have made, had they played it carefully, 110 in 2 hearts.